In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link, which is essential for setting up virtual meetings effortlessly. Whether you're planning a quick conversation with friends or a formal business meeting, Google Meet offers a reliable platform for all your video call needs. So let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to create your Google Meet link. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Meet website. You can access this by typing meet.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. If you have a Google account, make sure you're logged in, as this will streamline the process significantly. Signing into your account is crucial because it links your Google Meet sessions to your existing Google Calendar, allowing you to manage invites and meeting schedules more effectively. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface with a few options on the main screen. Look for the section that offers different meeting creation methods. Here, what we want to focus on is the option labeled Create a Meeting for Later. This specific feature is designed for those who wish to generate a meeting link now but plan to use it at a later time. Clicking on this option will instantly create your meeting link, which you can then share with your participants at any time that fits your schedule. After selecting Create a Meeting for Later, a dialog box will appear with the link to your new Google Meet. This link is what you'll send to your invitees, so it's important to handle it carefully. You can copy this link to your clipboard by simply clicking the copy button, ensuring that you can easily paste it into an email, chat message, or any other communication platform you're using to invite participants. Remember, the flexibility of Google Meet links means that participants can join the meeting from any device with internet access. Just ensure that all invitees have access to the link before your scheduled meeting time. It's also worth noting that for those using Google Meet within a business or education account, meeting links might come with additional features like security and permission settings, providing a tailored experience depending on your organization's needs. And there you have it. Creating a Google Meet link is a straightforward process that equips you with the necessary tools to conduct virtual meetings with ease. Make sure to double check your settings and ensure everyone's clear on the meeting time. That wraps up our quick guide today. If you found this walkthrough useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.